Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be extending the kickstand to get rid of the lean. I'm not feeling the lean because it takes up way too much space in the garage. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. As you can see, the shovel and the CB have very minimal lean and they don't take much space. And here you have the Sportster, pretty much taking up all the space. So we're gonna extend the kickstand and make it straighter. All right, so right now I'm trying to see how long I should extend the kickstand. So the 2x4 is about 1.5 inches tall, and it still has a pretty good lean to it. So let's see if I can stack another 2x4 and see the lean. All right, just stacked another 2x4, and I'm really digging the lean on the bike right now. Definitely save a lot more space. So yeah, I'll be extending the kickstand about 3 inches. Let's get to it. All right, got the kickstand out. All right, stock kickstand. Let's see how long it is. It's around 14 inches. This is the piece that I'm gonna be using to extend the kickstand. It's in my scrap bucket. I don't remember where I got it from. Most likely I got it from a swap meet. But yeah, I'm gonna measure 3 inches and chop this in half and extend it. And I'm gonna mark a line so I know what position to weld back in. We chop it right here, put it in the middle, and then put this back. See the whole purpose of me marking the tape earlier, so I can align it straight like this, so it'll be the right angle. Alright, here it is, all finished. Here is the finished kickstand, plus 3 inches. it pays to be a hoarder, because this piece was just extra metal that I had laying around. All right, let's go ahead and put this back on the bike. All right, here's the finished look, or the new look pretty much. 3 inches less lean, but the ultimate test is the inside the garage. Let's see how much space we freed up. All right, here it is, the bike in the garage. As you guys can see, it's straighter than before, so I was able to park it behind the shovel. Granted, it's not as straight as the shovel or the CB, but it's a lot more straighter than earlier. And there's space for another bike. I saw online that they have an extended kickstand, but it was only an inch longer than the stock one, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just make my own. And I guess it turned out pretty nice. In the past video, I mentioned that I lost my gloves in Mexico. So my friend Sean sent me these all the way from Japan. Let's go ahead and open them. Oh shit, 2 pairs. Sick, never had white gloves before. These are pretty sick too, let me see. I feel like these can be useful in like welding and stuff. Yeah, these feels nice too. I'm trying the white gloves. Comfort leather gloves. Oh man, these fits perfect. I feel like Michael Jackson or Mickey Mouse, but I like them. They feel nice. All right, these are gonna be my new signature look, guys. White gloves and flames helmet. If you guys see me on the street, then you know that's Mr. Lnspltblvd right there. All right, shout out to Sean for the generous gift. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys on a little errand. I gotta ship some merch at the post office. pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.